takeaways for today's Innobiz DUT Entrepreneurship Champions session was mainly to establish and strengthen the relationship, especially with the faculties that we work with. We have a lot of entrepreneurship activities that we do, including Faculty Entrepreneurship Day, them referring their students to Innobiz for business and identifying those entrepreneurs in the faculties that have potential businesses and that are ready for incubation. So it is important that we have this engagement with the entrepreneurship coordinators and to continuously align, check if we are still aligned with the universities and Vision 2030. So today's session for me was a success because of the level of engagement we've had with our faculties, the 6 faculties that we have and departments, including business school. It was a productive, shared ideas, and also showing the impact of what they do in terms of working together with us in supporting these entrepreneurs, providing technical support that is there in the faculties, and further like bringing other net partners that maybe we might not have as Innobiz, but faculties have. So that strengthening the collaborative approach amongst us as the DUT staff has been a highlight for the day, and how engaging and how willing are the faculties and working together in this advancing of the DUT's entrepreneurship agenda.